Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to talk about free modeling 2D and 3D. Okay, so we can click in the free modeling first. Okay, first we are in free modeling. Then just to let you guys know, so here we have a new function, new models, not function. Okay, so you can see a lot of model here. Okay. Okay, these are the model how you can drag out also if you want. Okay, so if I want staircase, you can see here STAIR staircase. So about the staircase, you see here staircase. So I can change to 3D. Okay, then I can adjust the thing also. Okay, then I'll just drag one of the staircase to show you the difference. Maybe this one. I don't need to staircase put here. Okay. You can edit it by just click ungroup. Okay, so now you not only can view in 3D, you also can view in 2D. 2D here, see? Okay, you can ungroup it to use it, or you can come out. When you go to 2D, you also can see the staircase. This is why I said the new function. Thanks for watching. Bye.